Welcome to Everyday English channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English lessons. Today, I want to talk about how to improve your English speaking. English is a very important language. Many people around the world speak English. If you can speak English well, you can talk to many people, make new friends, get a good job, and travel to different countries. So, how can you improve your English speaking? 1. Practice every day. Practice is very important. When you practice, you get better. You can practice with your friends, your family, your teacher, or even alone. You can talk to yourself in English. You can say, "Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you." This is a good way to start. 2. Listen to English every day. Listening is also very important. When you listen, you learn new words, how to say them, and how to make sentences. You can listen to English songs, watch English movies, listen to English radio, or watch English TV shows. You can also listen to people who speak English. Go to places where people speak English, listen to them, and learn. 3. Read English books. Reading is very good for learning English. When you read, you learn new words and how to make sentences. You can read easy books, children's books, newspapers, magazines, or anything in English. When you read, you should read out loud. This will help you with your speaking. You can also read with a friend and read to each other. This is a good way to practice. 4. Write in English. Writing is also good for learning English. When you write, you learn how to make sentences. You can write a diary in English, write about your day, write letters to your friends, write emails, or even write stories. When you write, try to use new words. This will help you learn them better. 5. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is okay. Everyone makes them. When you make a mistake, you learn. You can ask your teacher, friends, or family for help. They will help you and tell you how to say things correctly. Do not be shy. Speak English as much as you can. The more you speak, the better you will get. 6. Think in English. This is very important. When you think in English, you will speak better. Start with small things. For example, when you see a chair, think, "This is a chair." When you see a book, think, "This is a book." When you are hungry, think, "I am hungry." When you are tired, think, "I am tired." Thinking in English makes speaking easier. 7. Learn new words every day. Learning new words is very important. When you know more words, you can say more things. You can use a dictionary, write new words in a notebook, and try to use them in sentences. This will help you remember them. 8. Speak slowly. When you speak slowly, it is easier to say the words correctly. It is also easier for people to understand you. Do not speak too fast. Take your time, think about what you want to say, and then say it slowly. 9. Join an English class. Taking a class is very helpful. You can learn new words, make sentences, and practice speaking with your classmates. You can ask your teacher questions, and your teacher can help you improve your speaking. 10. Have fun. Learning English should be fun. When you have fun, you will want to learn more. You can play games in English, sing songs, watch funny movies, or talk to your friends in English. Doing fun things in English will help you learn better. 11. Use technology. Today, we have many tools to help us learn English. You can use apps on your phone to practice speaking, learn new words, and improve pronunciation. You can also use the internet to find websites, watch YouTube videos, or join online courses. Technology is very helpful for learning. 12. Make English-speaking friends. Having friends who speak English is very helpful. You can practice with them, learn new words, and understand different cultures. You will also learn how people speak English in different countries. 13. Watch English news. Watching the news is a good way to learn English. You can learn about the world, learn new words, and hear how people speak in different situations. You can watch news on TV or on the internet. 14. Join an English-speaking club. Many places have clubs where people meet to speak English. Joining these clubs helps you meet new people, practice speaking, and learn from others. 15. Travel to English-speaking countries. Traveling is a great way to improve your English. When you travel, you have to speak English in hotels, restaurants, shops, and when asking for directions. This can be very fun and helpful. 16. Use flashcards. Flashcards are a good way to learn new words. Write the word on one side and the meaning on the other side. Look at them every day and practice saying the words. 17. Record yourself speaking. Recording yourself is a great way to practice. You can listen to yourself, hear your mistakes, and improve your pronunciation. You can also ask a friend or teacher to listen and give feedback. 18. Mimic native speakers. Mimicking is a good way to learn how to speak naturally. Listen to native speakers and try to copy their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. This can help you sound more natural. 19. Read aloud. Reading aloud helps you practice speaking and pronunciation. You can hear how the words sound and improve your speaking skills. 20th. Practice with a partner. Having a partner to practice with is very helpful. You can practice speaking with your partner, help each other with mistakes, and learn from each other. You can practice conversations, ask and answer questions, and build confidence. Practicing with a partner is a great way to improve your English. 21st. Use a mirror. Speaking in front of a mirror can help you. You can see yourself when you speak, notice how your mouth moves, and observe how you say the words. You can also practice your facial expressions and gestures. Using a mirror can help you improve your speaking skills. 22nd. Participate in online forums. Online forums are a good place to practice English. You can join forums where people discuss different topics. You can read what other people write your own comments, ask questions, and answer questions. Participating in online forums can help you practice writing and improve your vocabulary. 23rd. Write scripts for conversations. Writing scripts can help you prepare for conversations. You can write down what you want to say and different possible responses. Then you can practice saying the script out loud. Writing scripts can help you feel more confident when speaking. 24th. Learn about different cultures. Learning about cultures can help you understand how people use English. You can learn about customs, traditions, greetings, and how people talk in different situations. Learning about cultures can help you communicate better. 25th. Set goals. Setting goals is very important. You should set small, realistic goals. For example, you can set a book every month. Setting goals can help you stay motivated. 26th. Reward yourself. When you reach your goals, reward yourself. This can help you stay motivated. For example, if you learn 5 new words every day for a week, you can reward yourself with a treat. If you practice speaking every day for a month, you can reward yourself with something you enjoy. 27th. Be patient. Learning a new language takes time. You need to be patient. You will not become fluent in one day. You must practice every day and keep trying. You will make mistakes, and that is okay. Do not give up, be patient, and keep practicing. 28th. Use English in your daily life. Try to use English as much as you can. Write your shopping list in English. Write your notes in English. Talk to your pets in English. Think in English. Using English in your daily life will help you improve. 29th. Find a language exchange partner. A language exchange partner is someone who wants to learn your language while you learn theirs. You can speak in English for some time and then in your language. This way, both of you can learn. A language exchange partner can help you practice speaking and improve your English. 30th. Join online language learning communities. There are many online communities where people learn languages. You can join these communities, meet people who want to learn English, practice speaking, ask questions, and share tips. Joining these communities can be very helpful. 31st. Use language exchange apps. There are apps designed for language exchange where you can find partners who are native English speakers. You can chat, make voice calls, or even video calls to practice your speaking. Many of these apps have tools for correcting each other's language, which can be very helpful. 32nd. Practice pronunciation. Pay attention to how words are pronounced in English. English pronunciation can be tricky because some words are spelled similarly but pronounced differently. Practice saying words slowly and clearly. Try to mimic the correct pronunciation you hear from native speakers. 33rd. Learn common phrases and expressions. In addition to learning individual words, it's useful to learn common phrases and expressions that native speakers use in everyday conversations. This will make your speech sound more natural and fluent. 34th. Immerse yourself in English media. Surround yourself with English language media such as movies, TV shows, podcasts, and music. Listening to native speakers in different contexts will help you understand various accents and improve your listening and speaking skills. 35th. Take note of your progress. Keep track of your improvement in speaking English. Celebrate your achievements, whether big or small. Reflect on what you have learned and what areas you still need to work on. This will keep you motivated and focused on your goal of improving your English speaking. 36th. Attend English speaking events and workshops. Look for opportunities in your community or online to participate in English speaking events or workshops. These events often provide structured practice sessions and opportunities to interact with fluent speakers. 37th. Focus on fluency over accuracy. While it's important to speak correctly, especially in formal settings, prioritize fluency in everyday conversations. Don't worry too much about occasional mistakes. The more you practice speaking, the more naturally fluent you will become. 38th. Practice speaking in different situations. Try to practice speaking English in various situations such as ordering food at a restaurant, making phone calls, or giving presentations. Each situation requires different language skills and will help you become more confident. 39th. Get feedback from native speakers. Seek feedback on your English speaking skills from native or fluent speakers. They can give valuable advice on improving pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary usage. 40th. Stay motivated and persistent. Learning a language takes time and effort. Stay committed to your goal of improving your English speaking skills. Set realistic expectations and be patient with yourself as you progress. Conclusion. Improving your English speaking skills requires dedication and practice. Use these tips and strategies to enhance your language ability step by step. Remember, each small effort you make toward speaking English better will bring you closer to fluency. Keep practicing, keep learning, and enjoy the journey of mastering a new language. Thank you.